Good day everyone, I am Yan Marie Ortiga Miral. Today I will be presenting my assigned topic, which is World Tourism Organization. What is World Tourism Organization? World Tourism Organization, it is the United Nations agency responsible for the promotion of responsible, sustainable, and universally accessible tourism. It promotes tourism as a driver of economic growth, development, and environment sustainability. The World Tourism Organization, or United Nations World Tourism Organization, is a special agency of United Nations. Its job is to promote tourism that is responsible, safe, sustainable, and open for everyone. It also helps countries use tourism para mag-grow ang economy, create jobs, and para ma-protect ang environment. Next is concept of global interstate system. System of competing and cooperating states. The global interstate system is not a single world government but a network of sovereign states that interact through diplomacy, alliance, and international organizations. International institutions. This system includes a variety of institutions that facilitate cooperation and governance on global issues, such as UN, the World Bank, the IMF, and the WTO. Role of the UNWTO. The United Nations World Tourism Organization operates within this framework by providing leaderships and support to its member states, promoting sustainable and accessible tourism, and developing international tourism policies. So the global interstate system is a network of independent countries that work together and sometimes compete with each other. It is not one world government but a group of sovereign states that connect through diplomacy, alliance, and international organizations. This system includes important institutions like the United Nations, the World Bank, the IMF, and the WTO, which help countries solve global problems and promote cooperation. Within this system, the United Nations World Tourism Organization plays an important role by guiding member countries in developing sustainable and accessible tourism. It helps create international tourism policies and support nations in using tourism to grow their economies and strengthen global relationships. Next is key characteristic of the United Nations World Tourism Organization. First is promote sustainable tourism. The United Nations World Tourism Organization focuses on making tourism more responsible, sustainable, and accessible to all. It encourages tourism that protects culture, nature, and local communities. Gusto daw sa United Nations World Tourism Organization nga ang tourism kay makahatag og kaayuhan sa environment, culture, and community. Next is drives economic growth. It promotes tourism as a driver for economic growth and development within countries. Tourism is used to help countries earn income and creates jobs. Ang tourism daw ginagamit aron makadungag og income ug trabaho ang isa ka country. Next is provides leadership and support. The organization offers leadership, support, and a platform for the global tourism sector to advance knowledge and policies. The United Nations World Tourism Organization guides member countries and help improve tourism policies. Ang United Nations World Tourism Organization kay gahelp sila sa mga country pinaagi sa guidelines, training, ug advice. And next is acts as a specialized agency of the United Nations. It operates as the United Nations primary agency focused on tourism, integrating its goal with a broader framework of international cooperation and development. It is the official United Nations organization focused on tourism, development, and cooperation. So, mo ni siya ang official nga agency sa United Nations nga nakafocus siya sa tourism. Next is functions of United Nations World Tourism Organization. First is generates market knowledge. United Nations World Tourism Organization kay provide sila og information, data, and research about tourism. This helps countries make better decisions and plan their tourism strategies. Next is promote sustainable tourism policies. They encourage nga ang tourism that is responsible, protects the environment, and help sila sa local communities. Next is focus on tourism education and training. They offer training programs and education to improve the skills of people working in tourism. Next is effective tool for development through technical projects in over 100 countries around the world. The United Nations World Tourism Organization carries out tourism development projects in many countries to support and strengthen the tourism sector. Next is provide leadership and quality education. They give guidance, support, and high-quality education programs for tourism professionals. Next is destination development and management. They help countries develop and manage tourist destinations to make them safer, more organized, and more attractive to visitors. Next is promotes technology. United Nations World Tourism Organization supports the use of modern technology to improve tourism service and operations. Next is develop statistical measurement. They create tools and systems to measure the impact and performance of tourism. Lastly, develop ethics and social responsibility. They promote ethical, safe, and responsible tourism that protects tourists, communities, cultures, and the environment. Historical development. 1947, formation of International Union of Official Travel Organization or IUOTO. After World War II, tourism started to grow again. To organize global tourism, the IUOTO or International Union of Official Travel Organization was created. It was a non-governmental organization focused on helping countries rebuild and promote tourism. 1967, Proposal for Intergovernmental Organization. By 1967, the United Nations saw that tourism was becoming more important for economic development. Because of this, they proposed turning International Union of Official Travel Organization into an intergovernmental organization so it could have a stronger role in managing global tourism. 1975, establishment of the United Nations World Tourism Organization. On January 2, 1975, the World Tourism Organization or UNWTO was officially established. Its headquarters were placed in Madrid, in Spain. Its goal is to promote responsible, sustainable, and accessible tourism for everyone. 1976, First General Assembly. The First General Assembly was held in Madrid. Member states meet to discuss tourism policies, programs, and ways to improve global cooperation. 2003 became a United Nations specialized agency. In 2003, the United Nations World Tourism Organization officially became a specialized agency of the United Nations. This made its role stronger in promoting tourism as a key driver of economic growth, cultural understanding, and peace. Role of United Nations World Tourism Organization in political relations. Encourages dialogue for peace. By promoting travel and intercultural exchange, UN Tourism works to foster mutual understanding and tolerance between different cultures and peoples, which are essential building blocks for a more peaceful world. The United Nations World Tourism Organization promotes travel because it helps people from different countries understand each other better. When people learn about other cultures, it builds respect and reduces conflict. This creates a foundation for a more peaceful world. Next is promotes tourism diplomacy. The organization's initiatives encourage governments to use tourism to advance diplomatic goals. This includes things like easing visa restrictions as a sign of goodwill, forming bilateral tourism agreements, and hosting international tourism events. United Nations World Tourism Organization encourages governments to use tourism as a way to improve diplomatic relationships. Examples include easing visa rules to show friendliness, creating tourism agreements between countries, and hosting international tourism events. This action helps strengthen political ties. Helps build national image. UN Tourism assists countries in developing campaigns to project a positive national image to the world. A strong and welcoming national brand can enhance countries' soft power, which is its ability to influence others through appeal and attraction. United Nations World Tourism Organization supports countries in promoting a good and positive image to the world. A strong and friendly image attracts visitors and increases a country's soft power, meaning the country can influence others through culture, appeal, and reputation. Influences international policy. The organization works to position tourism on national and global agendas, advocating for policies that promote sustainable development, responsible travel, and the reduction of poverty. The United Nations World Tourism Organization makes sure tourism is included in global and national discussions. They push for policies that support sustainable tourism, responsible travel, and poverty reduction. This helps shape international decisions about tourism development. Role of United Nations World Tourism Organization in economic relations. First, drives economic growth. As one of the largest economic sectors in the world, tourism drives national economic growth by increasing demand for goods and services and stimulating investment in infrastructure. Tourism is one of the biggest economic sectors in the world. It helps countries grow by increasing demand for food, hotel, transport, shopping, and services. Tourism also attracts investment in improved infrastructures. Next is generates employment. Tourism is a labor-intensive industry that creates a wide array of jobs, from the hospitality and transport sector to retail and attractions. UN Tourism promotes policy that can lead to decent work and expanded training opportunities. Tourism creates many jobs, such as hotel, restaurant, transportation, shops, and tourist attraction. United Nations World Tourism Organization supports policies that ensure decent work, fair opportunities, and more training for people working in the tourism sector. Mobilizes investment. The organization acts as a bridge between investors and destinations, especially in developing economies. It guides investment to maximize their impact and build a more sustainable and resilient tourism sector. The United Nations World Tourism Organization helps bring investors to countries, especially developing nations. It acts like a bridge that connects people with money to tourism destinations that need support. It helps create stronger, greener, and more stable tourism industries. Boost trade opportunities. For many developing nations, tourism is a major source of export earnings. United Nations Tourism work to help these countries maximize their gains from tourism and participate more fully in the global economy. Tourism is a big source of income for many developing countries. United Nations World Tourism Organization help these countries earn more from tourism, join the world market, and improve their economic position. It makes it easier for countries to benefit from travelers and international trade. Role of United Nations World Tourism Organization in social relations reduces poverty and inequality. Through initiatives like the Sustainable Tourism for Poverty Alleviation Program, UN Tourism helps ensure that the economic benefits of tourism are fairly distributed and reach marginalized groups such as women, youth, and indigenous peoples. United Nations World Tourism Organization supports programs that helps poor and marginalized groups such as women, youth, and indigenous people receive fair benefits from tourism. This means tourism income is shared more equally and reaches communities that need it most. Fosters cultural exchange. By connecting visitors with local communities, tourism breaks down stereotypes and builds mutual appreciation across cultures. UN Tourism has hosted events dedicated to this theme, such as World Tourism Day 2011 Tourism Linking Cultures. The United Nations World Tourism Organization connects tourists with local communities. This allows people to learn each other's traditions, break stereotypes, and gain respect for different cultures. It promotes peace and understanding between countries. Empowers communities. UN Tourism promotes the safeguarding of natural and cultural heritage, which often serves as a key tourism asset. The revenue generated from tourism can be reinvested in local communities to improve infrastructure, preserve cultural sites, and support local entrepreneurs. The United Nations World Tourism Organization protects natural and cultural heritage sites, which are important tourism attractions. The money tourists bring can be used to improve roads, preserve cultural sites, and support small local business. This gives communities more opportunities to grow. Advances Sustainable Development Goals or CDGs. United Nations Tourism Alliance in its effort with the UN's 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, positioning tourism as a key contributor to achieving the CDGs and promoting more inclusive and sustainable society. World Tourism Organization works with the United Nations Plan for a Better World by 2030. It uses tourism as a tool to achieve goals like reducing poverty, protecting the environment, and promoting equality. Contemporary issues and challenges. First is climate change. Climate change affects tourism in many ways. Hotter temperatures, stronger typhoons, water shortage, and damage to natural attraction can make destination less safe or less appealing. Tourism also contributes to climate change because of transportation and high energy use. Next is over-tourism. Some destinations receive too many tourists. This causes overcrowding, damage to the environment, stress on local infrastructure, and disruption to the daily lives of residents. This problem is often called touristification. Next is labor shortage. The tourism industry lacks enough skilled workers. Many employees left the sector during the pandemic, and now business struggles to hire trained staff. This slows down operations and reduces service quality. Safety and security. Keeping tourists and local people safe is a major concern. Events like pandemics, crimes, or national disaster increase risk. Tourism destinations must protect visitors and ensure safe travel experiences. Next is infrastructure and resource management. Tourism areas needs good system for waste disposal, clean water and transportation. Problems like pollution, water shortage, and traffic congestion can harm both local and tourists. Managing natural resources responsibly is important for long-term sustainability. Next is technological and digital challenges. The tourism sector relies more on technology today. However, this creates issues like cybersecurity threats, data privacy risk, and the need to upgrade digital system. Destination must use technology. Proposed solutions and United Nations World Tourism Organization perspective. Promote sustainable and responsible tourism. It encourages tourism practices that protect the environment, support communities, and ensure long-term economic benefits. UNWTO emphasizes eco-friendly tourism models that reduce negative impact. Next is diversify tourist destination. Spread tourists across different places, not just crowded hotspots. This reduces pressure on popular sites and help other communities benefit from tourism. Next is invest in education and skills. Address labor shortage by training workers, improving their skills, and preparing them for future challenges. Next is leverage technology. Use technology to control visitor numbers, improve customer experience, protect data, and create smart tourism solutions. United Nations World Tourism Organization encourages innovation while also ensuring cybersecurity and privacy. Next is strengthen community involvement. This means making sure local communities benefit more from tourism. The United Nations World Tourism Organization encourages countries to create programs that give people more job opportunities and fair income from tourism. The goal is to make sure everyone shares the benefits, not just business or tourists. Next is foster innovation and partnership. Tourism faces many challenges, so new ideas and teamwork are needed. United Nations World Tourism Organization supports projects that bring creative solutions such as digital tools, sustainable practices, and collaboration between governments, private companies, and local groups. Partnerships helps countries respond better and faster to tourism issues. Next is improve crisis management. Tourism is easily affected by crises like pandemics, disaster, and conflicts. United Nations World Tourism Organization encourages countries to learn from past events and build stronger plans to prepare for future problems. This includes better communication, safety measures, and strategies to help the tourism industry recover quickly. Conclusion. In conclusion, the World Tourism Organization or UNWTO plays a vital role in promoting global tourism that is sustainable, inclusive, and resilient. By addressing challenges such as safety, resource management, and technological changes, the United Nations World Tourism Organization helps guide the industry toward responsible growth. Through its focus on community involvement, education, innovation, and crisis preparedness, it ensures that tourism remains a powerful force for economic development, cultural understanding, and international cooperation. Tourism, when managed wisely, becomes not just a source of income but a bridge that connects people and nations around the world. And that's all. Thank you for listening.